Hello guys, so today we're going to be playing Airplane 4 story and Airplane 2 and 3 coming out soon, alright? It's coming out soon. I'm not trying to spoil it right now. I ain't spoiling it. I mean, like, it'll probably happen in August, maybe July, I don't know. We're heading there. My baggage. No. Renata. Alright. Anyways, blue finger. Baby, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, baby, oh. Wakey, it's time for school. Wakey, eggs and bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today's the big day. What day? Let me remind you. We are flying to Rohamas. Get down here. The Rohamas? What? I've never been to another country. Just the United States. That's all. USA. And I hate that president. Oh my, none of you have done your baggage? I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip. I'm going to the trip, I promise. I need gum. I will start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up. Am I lagging right now? I really want to go to the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even know. Shakira fan? Oh, that's not. Oh, Shakina. Okay. That's a Shakira. Okay, here's what we are going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Okay, that's my plan. Come on, let's go. We're going to the girls' room. There's nothing here. Blue and yellow. Okay. Okay. I'm going to my room. Bunch of beds here. I see everything that I need. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go. Okay, I need shorts. It's in my room. That's so easy. That's literally it. Got no man. Yummy. Sorry guys, I'm singing Justin Bieber. It's just funny. Okay, anyways, there. Okay, what else? Find this item. I think it's in the girls' room. Nope, not there. Yep, found one. Yummy. I want to listen to Justin Bieber after this. But that's okay though. I'm making a video right now. This kind of reminds me of the movie Home Alone, like the series, like the 1991 series. Okay, find this item. I think it's in the girls' room. Nope. It's in the boys' room, which is my room, only my room. Taking this with me. My back is cracked. Ugh. Cracked my back on accident. Anyway, I'm just sitting in the couch watching TV, trying to listen to Justin Bieber. Burgers are almost ready. The burgers are almost ready. Let's go to the backyard. I think we packed enough. All that we did is just pack toys, that's all. I mean clothes. Bro, these burgers look bussin'. And what is that green one? Hey, yo, what is that? No one ain't eating that. Nobody ain't eating that. Nobody's not even gonna eat that burger that has dust on it. Nah, I'm not eating that. Could lead to a hantavirus. Oh wait, I think it happened to Cruz. Okay, maybe. So luckily we're not in the Cruz. Who wants a burger? Me. I do. I'm so hungry. Alright. Sit on the picnic table. Alright, whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Is this the picnic table? I think it is. He better not. One for Jaden the bad guy 0, one for and one for Shakina. And that's all of them. Enjoy. Bro, why'd she leave? Hello everyone, we're back on Bloxy Estate News. I'm eating my McDonald's. Oh, it's the radio. Earlier this month, the President Donald Trump congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard the presidential plane. Whoa, can you imagine saving Donald Trump a plane? Whoa, bro. However, the president said in conference, as we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. Teca police warns everyone in Robloxia to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. How could someone possibly escape from something like that? Oh my, look at the time. What time is it? Oh no, it's 10:37 p.m. We're running late to our flight. There's no way we can make it in time. Unless, follow me. Follow him where? On where? Follow Dad. Okay? I mean Dad. Okay. Yeah, I almost said something inappropriate. Did he? That's the word. Okay. April kids. I have a bad feeling about this. What is he doing? What is this? Airplane 4 has that? What the heck? Let's see, Dad. The garage? What? Wait for it. Okay, he's going to press the green. I present you Yo, that's so cool. Your very own small plane. That literally looks so cool to me. I'm taking this. Like, I ain't sharing, man. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. Exactly. That's funny. That's what my friends say. It's also a lot more fun than walking. Yeah, like walking for 5 hours straight just to like catch out your flight. Imagine, now we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. Anyways, guys, I'm about to show my camera soon, alright? When I get back in the room. I'll set you guys in the other side. I'll see you guys on the other side, sorry. Wait, we don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find out. Just be careful with the obstacles. I don't even know how to fly a plane. I'm a kid. Obstacles? Bro, look. Oral farming. No, I'm going there. Oh my god. The wing. I'm losing health. Dude, she died. It's only me now. Gotta try not to die. Wait for everyone to finish. I finished. Perfect. Everyone is here now. It's just me. Perfect. Jaden and the bad guy's here now. I forgot to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. Nope. I'd be like, I saw a police car. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. I don't even need to follow him. I can like see the airplane. I mean, I can see the airport. It's right there. Right where? Oh, okay. Ow, 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 ow. Let's cross the street. Oh! Wait, careful for the... That was close. I almost got killed. Please, Dad, please. And yes! Baggage. Attention, everyone. Flight 7662 Rollhamers is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Got my ticket. No more waiting, let's go. Okay. That is our plane. Hello? You must be the last passenger flying to Rollhamers. Don't worry, you are just in time. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector and you're good to go. Alright, let's go through the metal detector then. What's going on? What? What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon, hee. Bruh. We're gonna get in so much trouble. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no. I don't like how that sounds. We don't have anything. Security! Security, catch them both. Are we gonna be okay? You're going to have to come with us. Is there a problem, officer? Ow, I spit on myself. Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You're in big trouble. Wait here until we get all the paperwork ready. I knew it was a bad idea. Now we're totally losing the flight. There it goes. It's starting to take off. Oh my god. Don't worry, you will be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Okay. I don't even know what that means, but okay. What is going on? What the securities? Look, the cops are back. Was asking for help. No. Why are they black? I don't think those cops are friendly. Want a weapon to kill the infected? No. Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm low. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. You don't deserve. I don't deserve to go.